Hey guys, welcome to the course. Thank you for enrolling. I'm really excited to bring this to you. This has been long overdue, and this is actually something that's been highly requested from students in my other courses because I talk about a lot of my income streams in other courses, and if you know anything about me, you know that I kind of got my start online with drop shipping as well as Amazon FBA. So this will be my Amazon FBA course, and obviously if you're not familiar with me, welcome. I hope we can build a relationship, and welcome to the community of like-minded learners that we are building. I'm really excited about that. So what is Amazon FBA first and foremost? Well, Amazon FBA is basically fulfillment by Amazon. Now, how this relates to you and what you're going to do and how you're going to take this so that you can make a passive income stream from Amazon is you are going to private label. So private labeling and Amazon FBA go hand in hand because private labeling is essentially what I'll be teaching you in this course. And this course will have about 7. This will be the first, mini course essentially, because I think it's important to break them all down and really teach them in depth. So you're going to need 7, not need, but you can take it from mini course to mini course to mini course. But you're really going to necessarily, need an in-depth analysis and walkthrough step-by-step process of each one. So this is the first of the mini courses. This will be, basically doing product research, which a lot of people will say is the most important part of private labeling. And I'm going to get into what that actually is in a second. But I do want to touch on the fact that, yes, product research is vitally important for sure. But they're all vitally important. So don't let anybody tell you that just product research is important, or just supplying, or just getting it manufactured and getting it supplied to you and into Amazon is important, or optimizing your listing, or getting reviews, or whatever the case is. Don't let anybody tell you that any one is important. They all mesh together very, very well. If I had to put, if someone had a metaphorical gun to my head and I had to say which one was the most important, it would probably be product research. But without all the other ones, product research is, pretty much irrelevant. So I kind of just wanted to touch on that because I feel that a lot of people are misguided on what it actually, the process entails and what they need to do to be successful. So I want to preface this by saying that anybody, and I literally mean anybody, can be successful online selling products through Amazon. And the way that they're going to do that is through private labeling and Amazon FBA, like I said. So private labeling is essentially, and we're here on Amazon. Private labeling is essentially the process of identifying a product on Amazon. It can be anything that is selling well, that has a high sales volume and low competition relative to that sales volume. So what you're looking for is with private labeling, you're not looking for looking essentially to create a new product or invent a new product and get it on Amazon and slap it on and get the sales. What you're essentially looking to do is to do product research initially, which this mini course is basically based on, and we'll get into that in depth in the coming lectures. And then you're going to basically figure out how to source that product from overseas, slap your own private label on it, and obviously from there we're going to list it on Amazon, optimize the listing, get reviews for it so you can get some social proof, and then start running Amazon PPC and ads to it so that you can basically make money. Now, I know a lot of different people that make a lot of money on Amazon. I myself make money on Amazon doing private labeling, and it's definitely one of my highest, probably, I wouldn't say my highest, it's probably even with one of my highest income streams. So you can make a lot of money. You can make, $1,000 a month. You can make $10,000 a month. You can make $100,000 a month, literally. And that's not, I know people that do it. I don't personally, but I know that it's possible. So just to kind of give you an example really fast, if you did some product research, and like I said, we're going to get into the specifics of actually how to do that, but I kind of just want to touch on the business model here, and you identified that these slippers were a potential product. What you would do is you'd kind of track the sales volume using software I'm going to talk about, and then you would, once you identified that, you'd get them sourced, you'd slap your own private label on it, which, is whatever you want to call it. Maybe it's like Johnny's merch or something like that, or Timmy's warehouse. I don't know. I'm just coming up with random names here. But the idea behind slapping a private label on it is essentially that it becomes yours. You own the rights to that product. Nobody else can basically list it on your listing. And as you draw people to your listing, that you have the exclusive rights to that product. So you can see here, and this is a software I'll be talking about real fast. Jungle Scout. We'll kind of look at what this product is doing really fast. And it looks like they're selling an average about 100 units a month with an average revenue of about $68,000. So this is a perfect actual example of a product that you can source, given, now you do want to check to see if it's, competitive or not, obviously, and that's something we'll get into. But this product is earning this person a lot of money through Amazon, because Amazon is the #1 e-commerce platform in the world, and the amount of traffic that Amazon gets to their listings and on their site is immense. So if you can channel that traffic and basically make money and monetize that traffic through your private label listings, you can for sure make a lot of money. So the idea is to start with one, kind of hone in your skills, and then scale up from there, and maybe launch 2 products, maybe launch 5, maybe launch 10, and so on and so forth. But you're going to need the basics and the essentials to basically do that. So I kind of just wanted to touch on that actual business model, and in the coming lecture, I will actually talk about the software that you'll need to actually do this, and so on and so forth.